Dear friends, I am Aarti, a car software expert here at iEngineering Australia. Welcome to the first video in our new car software series. I've got lot of great tips and features coming your way in the next segments of videos. So let's dive right in. Friends, let's be honest for a second. Nobody likes surprises when it comes to heavy machinery. A sudden breakdown doesn't just halt your day, it burns through your budget and creates a massive headache for the whole team. In today's world, we can't afford to just wait and see with manual asset maintenance if something breaks. That's why predictive maintenance is becoming so essential. You need to know what's happening with your assets before the red lights start flashing. And that's exactly why we've developed the Carl BL Predict module. So think of BL Predict as a high-tech early warning system. It's incredibly smart. IT monitors your equipment data and alerts you the moment it senses a potential failure is coming. It's about catching the problem while it's still small instead of waiting for a total shutdown. When our clients switch to BL Predict, they aren't just saving time. They're cutting down on emergency repair bills and stopping unnecessary routine checks. And by balancing your strategy this way, we've seen total maintenance costs drop by almost 50%. So if you're ready to work smarter with Carl BL Predict, click the link in the description or reach out to us at iEngineering Australia through our website link www.ieng.tech. I am your host Aarti. I'll see you in the next video.